save yours. And that's what they do day in, day out. From the very beginning, from their very schooling days to their college and to their medical educational endeavors, day in, day out, they sacrifice to be the best in the field of medicine for nothing else but to save our lives. Being a doctor is all about countless sacrifices. Sacrifices from social life, sacrifices from family life, sacrifices from friends. We really proud and feel honored to have so many doctors and so many lifesavers in one single hall. Well, now let me hand over this mic to none other than our mentor, Dr. Oswald Fernandez, to kindly give the welcome address.
Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Good afternoon, everybody. Today, indeed, is a very special day. This day was supposed to have been celebrated on 1st July. That is the National Doctors' Day. But it was postponed to this particular day today. This day was postponed to today, and today again, this day is special today because we were actually waiting today because in our midst we have our Honorable MP and Ayush Minister Shri Shripad Naik. Today also happens to be the 120th birth centenary of Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. And I'm here now to welcome our Honorable Ayush Minister, Shri Shripad Naik, who has specially consented to come and be the chief guest for this occasion, and to felicitate and honor all our Ayurvedic physicians and interns and our homeopathic doctors. I also welcome here our Deputy Collector, Shri Gurudas Desai, our Additional Collector, Shri Gopal Pasekar, Deputy Collector, LA, Madam Sandra D'Souza. I also welcome Dr. Kedar Raikar here for this thing. He has been our head visualizer and conceptualizer of this center right from last year when we put the things together. I welcome our Deputy Collector, Shri Gurudas Desai, has never left us, found anything wanting here in this space, and seen that each and everything we always had. Even he actually requisitioned all our doctors today. In fact, the reason that you all are being felicitated today is Deputy Collector has actually requisitioned you all to be a part of this center and to work here. And I also, last but not the least, I welcome the hosts itself, Dominic and Sandeep Walekar, who have been doing a fantastic job. In fact, this stage decor and all that you see is their fantastic work, not only today, but absolutely every day they are going and doing and they are doing a fantastic job. I welcome Dr. Jude D'Souza here, who will go about with a special vaccination schedule that he's going about. He's motivating people for vaccination. And we too, back at Urban Health Center, Panjim, at the Don Bosco High School Vaccination Center, we are credited with the highest number of vaccination in the entire state of Goa. Also, I would finally to welcome each and every one of your doctors, Ayush doctors, Ayurvedic doctors and interns here, who today are going to be felicitated in front of our esteemed guests today, who are the principals of the Ayurvedic College and the Homeopathy College, Dr. Anura Bale and Dr. Shubha Shirvoikar, who are specially, for them it will be a real proud moment to see all of you all receiving this award at the hands of our Honorable Ayush Minister. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Now, let me formally request Dr. Oswald to welcome our chief guest for the day, Honorable MP Shripad Naik. I request Dr. Oswald to present him with a shawl. Let me now request Dr. Kedar to hand over a memento. Thank you, sir. Now let us acknowledge the other dignitaries on the dais. I request Dr. Jude to kindly hand over a shawl, to present a shawl to Additional Collector Gopal Parsekar. Dr. Kedar Riker to present a shawl to Deputy Collector Sir Gurudas Desai. And we once again request Dr. Oswald to present a shawl to Madam Sandra D'Souza. Well, friends, we also have amongst us two principals. The principal of Ayurveda Institute, Dr. Anura Bale, and the principal of Homeopathic Institute, Dr. Shubha Shirvaikar. I would request Sir Gopal Parsekar to kindly hand over a flower pot to Dr. Anura Bale. I request ma'am to kindly come up stage, please. Let me now request Sir Gurudas Desai, our Deputy Collector, to kindly hand over a flower pot to Dr. Shubha Shirvaikar, the Principal of Homeopathic Institute. Put your hands together, friends, doctors. Well, and I quote, God cannot be everywhere, so he sent doctors. As I spoke at the start, we have stalwarts who have been running this center and guiding us and being mentors to us. Let me request Honorable MP Sir Shripad Naik to kindly come up here to felicitate 4 of our doctors. I request Sir to kindly come up today. To begin with, I request Honorable MP and Minister for Defence of State to felicitate our Doctor, Health Officer and the Nodal Officer here, Dr. Oswald Fernandez. Next, I request sir to kindly felicitate Dr. Kedar Raikar, again our nodal officer, medical officer, and the Spine Science Institute keeps us motivated, keeps us going. Next, let me call upon Dr. Jude D'Souza, again a nodal officer, a medical officer, has his contributions in many ways to this center running smooth. And finally, our fourth doctor, Dr. Ruben D'Souza, our consultant doctor for Dr. Shama Prasad, Stephen and COVID Care Center. Dr. Ruben has a rigorous schedule, and besides just looking after patients here, he's been educating all our interns, he's been motivating them, he's been teaching them new skills, he's been pushing them across the elements. He's been doing a wonderful, wonderful job here. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, sir. Well, friends, not all angels have wings, but some have stethoscopes. They are most often checking hearts with all their hearts. Let me now request Honorable MP Shri Shripad Naik to give a few words of motivation, of encouragement to our entire medical team and doctors here before we proceed to further felicitations.
नमस्कार. खास करून आजच्या या कार्यक्रमात माझे उपस्थित आमचे ॲडिशनल कलेक्टर रामगोपाल बाटसेकर, डेप्टी कलेक्टर राम गुरु, दूसरे डेप्टी कलेक्टर आज सांद्रे, डॉक्टर ओसवाल, डॉक्टर जूल, डॉक्टर केदार, आयुर्वेदा कॉलेज जो प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती बाळे, त्याचबरोबर होमिओपॅथी कॉलेज जो प्रिंसिपल, इतर सगळे इंटर्न, डॉक्टर, उपस्थित भाव आणि भयणींनो, तुमच्या कार्यक्रमाक येवपाक खुशी भोगली. खुशी इतल्या खातीर भोगली की ज्या पद्दतीन देशाचें जे संकट कोसळ्ळें, गोंयचें जें संकट कोसळ्ळें, देशाच्या रीतीन संपूर्ण जगात त्या संकटान सैमान घातलें. परंतु ताका जर आमी मुठी धरपाचो प्रयत्न केलो आनी जास्तीत जास्त जे प्रयत्न लागले हे करपाक ते तुमचे सगळ्यांचे आसात. इंडिया हो एक मोर देन 130 कोटीचो देश. इट इज सेकंड इन पॉप्युलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. अशा हातूंत ज्या पद्दतीन सगळ्यांनी सहकार्य केलें, आपल्या जिवाची डॉक्टर्स, नर्सीस, मेडिकल स्टाफ
सगळे जे जे या कार्यात जे लागून गुंग जाल्ले आपले घर विसरले, परंतु आपली ड्युटी ही पहिले आपले पहिले कर्तव्य समजून तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी जे किती काम केले त्याचमुळे आमचे पंतप्रधान नरेंद्रभाई मोदी तांणी दिल्ली डायरेक्शन्स स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचे चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतले, इतर हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, इतर सगळे अधिकारी आसतले, यांच्या बरोबर तांणी दिल्ली सगळी गोष्टी पाळून तुम्ही ज्या पद्धतीन हांगा जे ह्या कोविडाक पयस करपाचें काम केलां तें खरोखरच अतुलनीय आसा. ताजे आमी ताका म्हणजे एक कशाची शब्दाची तुलना करूं शकनात आनी प्रत्येक जाण आपापले परी काळजा पासून मना पासून काम करून आमच्या लोकांक वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. त्या बद्दल तुमकां धन्यवाद दितले थोडेच आसा अशें हांव म्हणटा. परिस्थिती आमी पळयली, हांव एक कोविड पेशंट आशिल्लो आनी ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी जवळून पळोवपाचो गेलो. म्हयनोभर हांव हॉस्पिटलांत उरलो. इतले त्रास सहन करचे पडटात. 24 तास ड्युटी, न्हीद ना, कदाचित जेवपाकय वेळ ना, अशे तरेची परिस्थितीत तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी जे कितें प्रयत्न केले त्या सगळ्या डॉक्टरेच्या ह्या अनुशंगान हांव सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता. सगळ्यांचे काळजा पासून आभार मानता. आज जर हें काम जावनाशिल्लें जाल्यार गोंयची जी सद्यस्थिती आसा पीक जालो, कितलेशे पेशंट मरपाक लागले, खंय तरी साधन सुविधा खंय तरी अभाव जालो, परंतु आसतना तुमी जे धैर्य दाखयलें, जशें जाता तशे प्रयत्न केले आनी कमीत कमी आमचे लोक कमीत कमी मरचे अशे तरेचो प्रयत्न केलो आनी ह्या प्रयत्नामुळे जर आमकां येदें व्हडलें यश मेळ्ळां. तुम्ही हांगा जे स्टॅपअप हॉस्पिटल चलयल्लें, तुम्ही जी काही इतके बरें काम हे सगळें हातूंतल्यान केलें म्हाका दिसता. 1000 पेक्षा जास्त पेशंट तुम्ही हांगा ट्रीट केले आनी ट्रीट करता तातूंतल्यान एकूय आमकां खंय तरी कोणूच पेशंट दगावना, ही सगळ्यांत बरी गोश्ट आसा. म्हाका याद आयली, आमी एक दिल्लीक ऑल इंडिया इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा ते चलयतात. मोठे इन्स्टिट्यूट, ताची सेकंड इयर चालू आसा. तर अशाच पद्दतीन म्हणजे पूर्ण आयुर्वेदा असो ट्रिटमेंट दिवन जवळजवळ 2,500 पेशंट फक्त आनी दुसरें ट्रिटमेंट काय ना, योगा आनी आयुर्वेदा अशे हातूंतल्यानच जवळजवळ जितले येयल्ले तितले पेशंट बरे जावन भायर गेले. हे सांगपाचें हेतू इतकोच. हे सगळे ज्या पद्दतीन तुम्ही ट्रिटमेंटय न्ही, परंतु तुमच्या भितरली जी उर्जा जी आहा, उर्जा ती पेशंटाक ही डॉक्टराच्या माध्यमांतून मेळटा, ते उर्जेचो सुद्दां तातूंत निश्चितपणे वापर जाता. तुम्ही ज्या मायेन आनी प्रेमान ज्या पद्दतीन पेशंटाक ट्रीट केलें ताचोय तो एक भाग आसा म्हाका दिसता. हे संकटात आयिल्लें कमी जावंक लागला, परंतु अजून धोको टळूना. तिसरी वेव म्हणटात, कदाचित येवंक शकता, परंतु कदाचित येवचीय ना, परंतु आमी प्रिपेर रावप, आमी तयार रावप हें फार गरजेचें आसा. त्यामुळे परत एकदा जास्त वेळ न घेता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आव्हान करता, जोपर्यंत कोविड-19 हांगा झिरो जाय पर्यंत आमी मातशें जागृत रावपाचें. तुमी जें कितें धैर्य दाखयलां, जें कितें काम केलां तें काम कंटिन्यू करपाचें आनी संपूर्ण जो कितें कोवीड हांगसरल्यान पयस करपा खातीर आमी दोळ्यांत तेल घालून रावचें पडटलें. तें तुमी करतले अशें हांव हें करता. आनी ह्या डॉक्टरान म्हणजे हांव सद्दां हांगा मदीं पडी येवन गेलां सगळ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटांनी, GMC आसूं किंवा प्रायवेट हातूंनी आसूं, पूण सगळ्या हातूंच्या म्हणजे खंयचे हांगसरले जर बरें काम करताले, खंयचे जर कमी काम करतलो अशें अजिबात खंयच दिसना. सगळ्यांनी कर्तव्य जें काम केलां तांकां हांव सलाम करता. 2 शब्द सोंपयतात. देव
Thank you so much, sir. That would motivate all of us, doctors present here, all the medical staff and all the other staff to give it even better. Thank you, sir. Now, let me acknowledge 3 such individuals who have not necessarily checked hearts, but have surely touched hearts. One, Sri Hanuman Godavar, my very dear friend, a renowned karate coach from the Sports Authority of Goa, and he has contributed in his own ways. Secondly, we have our very own Mr. Domingos de Costa, the medical in charge, who sees everything running smooth here. All the requirements are in place. And last but not the least, the stalwart and the spine behind the housekeeping department doing so well, Mr. Oliver Gonsalves. Let me request our additional collector, Sir Gopal Parsikar, to kindly come up to felicitate these 3 wonderful individuals. To begin with, I call upon Sri Hanumat Gorawat for generously donating in many ways to help this center run smoothly. Thank you, sir. Next, I call upon Mr. Domingos de Costa. I think we need to hear it louder for him. And now I call upon Oliver Gonsalves. This gentleman works in fearlessly, whether in the red zone or out of the red zone. He's always there and things are all in place, well maintained, clean, 24/7. Let me request Sir Gopal Parsikar to kindly say a few words.
Chief guest of today's function, Department Ayush Minister, my colleague and doctors on the dais, and all the doctors who are present today, and all Indians of homeopathic and Ayurveda, and all non-medical staff. I'm very much happy to say that last more than 1.5 years, we are sacrificing our life for COVID patients. I think this is one of the best opportunity to give your service to the people suffering from COVID-19. And I think we should continue this for another few months till COVID or third phase of COVID abolished from India. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. If I could once again request our chief guest for the day, Sir Shripal Naik, to kindly come up to give mementos of appreciation to our 15 senior doctors here. They have been doing a wonderful job. Sir? To begin with, Dr. Pranita Param. Dr. Sonam Gadikar. Dr. Nashoma Antaung. Dr. Rachna Navekar. Dr. Sanjivani Gadikar. Dr. Pavitra Deshprabhu. Dr. Yoga Yeram. Dr. Prasad Parab. Dr. Pooja Revankar. Dr. Sudhir Naik. Dr. Jasmine Naik. Dr. Ashmita Kokhelekar. Dr. Yogesh Palkar. Thank you, sir. Let me now request our Deputy Collector, Sir Gurudas Desai, to say a few words.
Good afternoon, doctors, Honorable Union Minister, Additional Collector, now, my friends, Dr. Kedar, Dr. Oswald, Dr. Jude, Madam Sandra, and all the staff of SPM, the staff of SAG. I would like to mention here that the person who has again and again appreciating others is Mr. Sandeep. He deserves a big round of applause for him. Last time I had come for one function for Yoga Day. Everybody appreciated everybody, and he has appreciated everyone. But we forgot to appreciate him. And I take this opportunity to start with this, to appreciate him, the work he has done. To begin with, I would like to just introspect and nostalgia of last year. When we started this as a COVID care center, sir, आम्ही जेन्ना कोविड केअर स्टार्ट करपाची येवजण तेन्ना फर्स्ट डॉक्टर केदार आनी कलेक्टर मेनका आशिल्ली आनी फर्स्ट 5 आमी सांजचे आयले आनी पळोवपाक लागले हांगा तेन्ना आमकां दिसूंक नाशिल्लें की हांगा कोविड सेंटर जावंक शकता पूण डॉक्टर केदारान सांगलें ना म्हाका कांयच खबर नाशिल्लें कशें हॉस्पिटल आसता कशें कोविड केअर सेंटर आसता कांयच खबर नाशिल्लें डॉक्टर केदार म्हणपाक लागला करया Then we are administration, we have taken an initiative, collector had told me to take initiative, we have done it. Then again and again, initially कितें आशिल्लें हांगा उदक गळटालें करपाक मेळना आशिल्लें मागीर प्रॉब्लेम जालो लायटीचो प्रॉब्लेम खुबशे तुमकां सांगता हांव कळपाकूय जाय म्हणून कितें आशिल्लें तें लायटीचो प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो कित्याक हांगा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आसा टच तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जेन्ना हाय टेन्शन वायरिंग करंट येता हाय वोल्टेजीन येता आनी हांगा ट्रीप जाताली सो एवरी 15 मिनिट्स एवरी 20 मिनिट्स हांगा लायट वताली सो इट वॉज नॉट एडवायजेबल लायट आमकां एडवायजेबल नाशिल्लो देन वी थॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर थॉट ऑफ DG हाडपाचो वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड DG I was after all the electricity engineers have changed lot of things because I'm not an engineer. They have done lot of changes over there. Then curve was gradually it was normalized. even we have put DG. Then there is question of services. खंयचेय हॉस्पिटल सुरू करतले म्हणजे सर्विसीस जाय आशिल्ले. डॉक्टर केदार म्हणून सर्विसीस आसा. खरें सांगता म्हाका कांयच खबर नाशिल्लें आनी कलेक्टर कांय खबर ना बिकॉज वी आर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डॉक्टर नोस इट. आनी कशें खंय घालपाचें सर्विसीस कितें करपाचें. देन वी हॅव डिसायडेड वी हॅड अ मिटींग ओवर हियर एंड ऑल इन हावस सर्विसीस वी थॉट ऑफ दॅट. आमकां खबर नाशिल्लें जातलें म्हणून अशें. पण जस्ट वी हॅड अ थॉट ओवर दॅट वाय नॉट वी स्टार्ट ऑल द इन हावस सर्विसीस. डॉक्टर केदारान सांगलें आमचे अमके सर्विसीस आसा. We have done all the total formalities from our side. I have taken initiative to collectorate. We have done all this. We have selected the best service provider. And my in-house जातकच main आशिल्लें housekeeping, laundry and doctoran रावपाक facility. कित्याक हांगा कोविड सेंटर म्हणटकच आतां आमच्या ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान सांगलां तुमकां कितले त्रास जाता PPE किट घालून दिसभर रावपाक जाय. Magir, we have made such changes in even our toilets. We have put a geyser. Even I have ensured that even taps आशिल्ले जागवाराचे आसपाक जाय. कित्याक खंयचेय घाले जाल्यार मोडत जाल्यार परत सुरू करपाक तांकां परत फूल PPE घालून एवरी नाव एंड देन टेक्निशियन भितर वचचो पडटालो. So we have taken a minute thing and ensure that the good quality instrument or equipments are put in the COVID care center. Again, the question of doctors, resident, because the doctor were supposed to stay over here. And at least minimum requirement, कशें आसचें तें आमी पळयलें. तांकां मागीर फॅन्स जाय, बाथरूम टॉयलेट सारको जाय, बॅड्स जाय. हें सगळें आमी डॉक्टर केदाराक, डॉक्टर ऑजवर्ड, डॉक्टर जुडाक हांचे कडेन बसून हांव एवरी डे तांचे कडेन डिस्कशन करून हें आमी जाग्यार घालें. तांचें सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आमी जाग्यार घालें. मागीर भितरले इंटर्नल तुमी पळयलें डॉफींग एंड डॉनींग म्हणटा तें हांवें पयल्या खेप आयकलें. बिकॉज फर्स्ट त्या वर्सा वॉट इज डॉफींग म्हाका कळना आशिल्लें. डॉक्टर बी स्मूथली उलयताले, हांव फक्त पळयतालो कितें उलयता म्हाका सगळें बावन्सर पडटालें. कांयच खबर नाशिल्लें. मागीर डॉक्टरांक विचारतालो कितें डॉफींग कितें डॉनींग हें PPE किट खंय घालपाचो मागीर खंय वचपाचें येता आसतना कितें करपाचें. सो सगळे बारीकसाणेन आमी पळयलें थंय. थंयच्यान अरेंजमेंट्स केले. एकॉर्डिंगली मागीर एक सर्वीस तांचो हें आशिल्लो टेक्निशियन आशिल्लो त्या प्रमाणे दारां खंय ओपन जावपाक जाय, टॉयलेट खंय आसपाक जाय, मेल टॉयलेट फिमेल टॉयलेट खंय आसपाक जाय, सगळें पळयलें. आनी लास्ट टायम तुमकां खबर आसलें फर्स्ट कोवीड वेव आयली तेन्ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर आमी कंटेनमेंट झोन करतालो. कंटेनमेंट झोन करून हे लोकांक आमी घेवन येताले. आनी जेन्ना लोकांक रेजिस्टर नासतालो सांगता कार्ड हांगा रेजिस्टर नासतकीर लोक हांगा येतकच थोडे लोक मस्ती करताले. कशें मस्ती करताले डॉक्टरांक खबर आसताली. टॉयलेटान उदकाच्यो बाटल्यो कोमोडान घालताले, टॉयलेट फूल करताले, व्हिडियो काडटाले, भायर धाडटाले. असले आमचे ग्लास हो दिसता का तुमचो फोडिल्लो हांगा ग्लास फोडले. Even they used to sit in front of main door. हे इतलें आमचें कोणें काम केलां. हावजकीपींग जे स्टाफ आसा हांव तांकां खरेंच मनाक काळजांतल्यान बरें करूंक म्हणटा. इतले त्रास आमचे हावजकीपींग जे कितले इवन सान मारपी आसा तांकां हांव सल्यूट करता. तांणी हें काम केलां म्हणून इतलें बरें केलां. हें आमचें कोवीड सेंटर बरें उरता कारण डॉक्टर्स आनी पॅरामेडिकल स्टाफ आनी हावजकीपींग स्टाफ हांणी रातीचे दीस करून क्लिनींग केलां. तुमकां आनी एक इन्सिडंट सांगता. सायकियाट्रीक पेशंट एक अकस्मात हांगा आयले दिसता हॉस्पिटलान धाडले 8 काय 9. तांची चूक ना सायकियाट्रीक पेशंट. तांणी मागीर इतलो रडा केलो हांगा बोवाळ केलो की बाकीच्या पेशंटाक मारपाक आयले, डॉक्टरांक मारपाक आयले. आमकां लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जालें. आमी PPE किट घालून पुलीस PPE किट घालून पुलीस PPE किट तांकां धरचें पडलें. पूण तांची चूक ना, तांकां कळना कितें करता तें. हें करून आमी मागीर तांकां गाडयेन घालून परत हॉस्पिटलान घाले. इतले त्रास हे आमचे हावजकीपींग जे आसा डॉक्टरांनी त्रास हे काडले. तेन्ना कोवीड वेव गेली काबार जालें. दुसरी वेव आयली परत आमकां सुरू करचें पडलें. मागीर मागीर प्रॉब्लेम आमकां जावन आमकां कळ्ळें सगळें कितें आसता तें. मागीर होम आयसोलेशन सिस्टम आयली हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाची. चडशा लोकांनी होम आयसोलेशन घेतलें आनी मागीर जे कोणाक घर ना ती हांगा येवपाक लागली प्रॉब्लेम जायना. मागीर आमकां एक आनी कॉन्सेप्ट आयलो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाक स्टेप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल करपाक जाय आशिल्लें. तेन्ना स्टेप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल केलें आमी हांगा. दोतोर जाय पडले, डॉक्टर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट डॉक्टर कमी पडले. मागीर वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड आयुर्वेदीक प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर एंड होमिओपॅथी प्रिंसिपल हांचे कडेन मिटींग घेतली कलेक्टरा कडल्यान. ताणें सांगलें आयले ऑल डॉक्टर्स ऑनेस्टली सांगता पयलीं एजिटेट जाले आनी मागीर आयले. सर हांव तुमकां सांगूंक इच्छिता की हांकां फक्त आयुर्वेदिकांक स्टायपन मेळटा आनी होमिओपॅथीक कांय मेळना. तरी आसतना आमी ती काम करतात एक म्हयनो. आमी ऑलरेडी हांवें प्रपोजल घालून कलेक्टरान ICC मिटिंगेन तें वतलें. आय रियली बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू बोथ आयुर्वेदिक एंड होमिओपॅथीक डॉक्टर. पयशे येतात खूब पयशे येतात. आपली स्वताची गाडी घेवन आतां स्कूटर घेवन येतात पूण अजून ताणें प्रॉब्लेम करूना. एप्रिशिएट करता. दॅट्स वाय आय ऑलवेज सल्यूट डॉक्टर्स बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स आमी सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे डॉक्टर्स आपले लायफ सॅक्रिफायस करतात. खुबशे डॉक्टर्स घरा कडेन पावना. डॉक्टर आमी पळयले जूड हाका कितें घरा कडेन पावनाशिल्लो तो आमच्या रेजिडेन्सीन रावतालो. डॉक्टर ऑजवर्ल्ड घरा पावनाशिल्लो. तुमी घरा पावना चडशे. हें तुमचें कार्य सरान सांगल्या प्रमाणे की हाका थँक्यू म्हणटा तो वर्ड कमी पडटा. आय रियली एप्रिशिएट यू. त्याच बरोबर सांगून दिसता म्हाका हांव परत रिपीट करता. कोणाक समज वास सुद्दां आयलो आयकुपाक म्हाका हरकत ना. जेन्ना सेकेंड वेव आयली तेन्ना ह्या कोवीड सेंटराचे इनचार्ज कोण आसचो हें म्हाका विचारलें कलेक्टरान. आनी जे आमचे प्रोटोकॉल आसा गव्हर्मेंटाचे प्रोटोकॉल वी ऑलवेज सी तो हायर ऑफिसर बरो आसतलो. दीस इज आमचें मिसकन्सेप्ट खबर ना कितें. चड व्हडल्या पोजिशन आसता तो बरो आसतलो. म्हाका सांगपाक लागलें की एक GCS ऑफिसर अपॉयंट करात, एक गॅजेटेड नाल्यार गॅजेटेड ऑफिसर अपॉयंट करात, नाल्यार खंयचो तरी बरो सिनियर ऑफिसर गव्हर्मेंटाचो अपॉयंट करात. हांवें कलेक्टर एकूच उतर दिलें. सर हांव म्हणलें कोणाक तो करता प्लीज ताका अपॉयंट कर. तो कोणीय आसूं मातसो ताका अपॉयंट. I got information of Mr. Sandeep from my sources. Last time, आमचो GCS ऑफिसर आशिल्लो ऑफिसर ऑफ माय कार्डर चल्लें बरें. पूण दिस टायम ते ऑफिसर वर बिजी आनी मागीर रिलक्टंट आशिल्लें रेजिस्टन्स आशिल्लें. सो दॅन आय थॉट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटींग डिफरंट. आय गॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ संदीप. आय प्रपोज संदीप. प्रपोज संदीप नांव करता आसतना म्हाका खूब जाणांक करतलो म्हणटा. कितें एक्सपिरियन्स आसता तो ऑफिसर तो लेवल गॅजेटेड ऑफिसर तो तशें म्हाका हांव सांगलें आय नो दॅट पर्सन. आय नो हिज कॅपेबिलिटी आनी आय एम प्रपोजींग. And if you see, taking over as in charge of COVID care center, कितने improvements आएगा डॉक्टर सांगता. Big round. And I appreciate it, sir. And I got the opportunity to appreciate it. Thank you very much. I have taken your time. Thank you very much. And all the best, doctors. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Kedar Raikar to kindly say a few words.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for coming, Sripath Naik Sarji, for coming for today's occasion. All the dignitaries on the dais and on the dais. Nothing much to speak. All the points have been covered, but a few important points. The whole team has to be appreciated. Also, right from Sandeep, Dominic, all of them who are tirelessly working. We are there. We are more of touch and go. We are planning. We are implementing it, and then discussing it. And most of the things we have planned initially, but now it's all smooth going. I'll just take couple of statements. First, thank you, ma'am, both of you all, Ayurvedic and Homeopathic. So, all of you all, at a very short notice, you all agreed to give us interns. It's a big thing. Since we were starting Step Up Hospital, Dr. Ruben was requiring more doctors, round of applause, and a big round of applause to all the interns from homeopathy and Ayurvedic colleges, without whose support, I've been told by all of them, you all want to auto mode. You all function very smoothly. I mean, you all can handle the most difficult cases. Ruben must have trained you all very well. You all are in the auto gears, so I really appreciate for all the things. I request Deputy Collector to just look into the matter. And regarding the stipend, I think it should happen. Eventually, it will happen. I'll also speak to Collector and say that they are against something. I thank Dr. Oswald, Dr. Jude, all others who are there, all the PSCs, Pororim, Vedki, all the health centers who have come to, and then ESI doctors, yeah, definitely. At a short notice, we also managed getting doctors from ESI. Really, thank you, ma'am, for being a part of the COVID care center and Step Up Hospital. One small point to appreciate Dr. Ruben. He has worked abroad. He was in Bahrain, and at a short notice, he was posted in Margao. Through my sources, I got things changed. I got his order in Shamapala Stadium. And he, being a part of today's COVID care center, Step Up Hospital, has transformed tremendously under his leadership. A round of applause to him, because otherwise, you need a dedicated consultant working here who would be watching each and every nitty-gritties. We don't want mortality nor morbidity taking place here. That's the first principle. Now we are looking at the third wave coming up. I don't think we would be, I hope not, we wouldn't be affected to the extent other states or other countries are getting affected. I think things would be under control. Vaccination is going on well. We have vaccinated a good number of people. We had also a good number of positive patients in Goa. So I think both the immunity and the herd immunity would also help in tackling this third wave, the Delta Plus variant which we are talking about. And hope not we we go in the third. I mean, we should curtail to some extent. And wish you all the best. I request, sincere thanks to our Honorable Minister, Ayush Minister and Defence Minister for coming today. At a very short notice, I spoke to him and he agreed to come and grace the occasion. It's a big thing for interns to get felicitated at the hands of Honorable Minister. It's a big thing for me. If I was an intern, in case I was given anything in the hands of the Minister, definitely I would have been in the top of the world. Thank you, sir, for being a part of today's function. And God bless you all.
Thank you, Dr. Kedar. Let me once again request our chief guest, Honorable MP Sir Shri Shripad Naikji, to please come and felicitate our Ayurveda interns. To begin with, we have Ms. Madiha Salim. I think all you interns need to clap for each other and make it sound loud. Ms. Shruti Umesh Desai. Ms. Roshni S. Patil. The clapping should go on. I think we all need to motivate each other. Mr. Shane Fernandez. These interns have been doing a wonderful, wonderful job and they are fearless. Ms. Rupal Wagner. Ms. Divya Naik. Ms. Akansha Paul. Ms. Vaishnavi Sawant. Yeah. Miss Vaishnavi Sawant. Thank you, sir. Let me call upon Dr. Jude D'Souza to kindly share a few words on the vaccination and other few things that he would like to share with us.
Honorable Ayush Minister Shripal Naik sir, Deputy Collector Gurudas sir, Additional Collector Farsekar sir, Sandra Madam, my colleague Oswald, Dr. Kedar, Sandeep, Dominic, and all who have gathered here today. I will not take too much of your time. Encouraging each other, as Shripal sir has told, this energy which we are all, and in the COVID time, what has taught us is coordination, collaboration, cooperation. Because if we all work as team in all the government departments, all our doctors, nurses, all staff, this is the energy which you can fight this COVID. And we have come this first wave, second wave, and we are ready for whatever, because we have now vaccination, which we are trying to achieve. As Dr. Kedar has said, we are in a better position. We have kept the number of cases down, and we are monitoring, we are having these COVID centers. So in this war which we are fighting, sir is in the defense stream, and our soldiers are guarding in the borders, and I think we also should keep our guard and continue this fight. And this has been possible through the coordination of all the departments. First and foremost, I would like to say the collector office has been an amazing department. I have done my part-time MBA in Institute of Management, but practically I have seen in this thing where Gurudas sir has been really exemplary. I have never seen such a deputy collector in my time. So whatever you want, he says, what you want, you have, we will get it done. Kedar also will be aware of it. And another great is Dr. Kedar. Actually, this comes under Timber jurisdiction. We have some area and all this. But Kedar has always been like my elder brother, and he has offered his full selfless service, always giving his ideas and managerial skills, for which I am extremely grateful, and even sir has mentioned. Oswald, Dr. Oswald was in Bedki, and still he pitched in selflessly. He has given his time and service, for which I thank him also. And as sir has told, Sandeep, Dominic, and all your staff, and I think Madam from the homeopathic department, college and Ayurvedic college will have been great. I have Dr. Pooja with me. She's working on the Ayurvedic garden and other in our sector. I think Ayush is, which we as allopathic, we should be grateful to. You all have pitched in a big fight. You all have helped us, that Manish has taken care of, even I know of the Margaon COVID Center. So I thank our counterparts in this Ayush, that with you have pitched in, you have helped us in this fight. So it is credit to each and every one of us. And as we go ahead with this positive energy, I want each one of you pat your backs. You have done a good job, and all from the grassroots staff to the top staff. And we all as one, we can defeat this COVID and we can go ahead. So Rupan is here, and he's come like to collect all this energy and take it forward to the Seva Hospital and other things. So I wish him also. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Jude. Let me now request Madam Sandra D'Souza, our Deputy Collector, to kindly say a few words.
Honorable Minister, Shripal Naik sir, Deputy Collector, Additional Collectors, and all my dear doctors. On behalf of the Collector, I would wish to extend my deep appreciation to all of you all for pitching in at the right time on the behest of our Deputy Collector, Gurudas sir, and for helping us, supporting us in a huge way. I I thank you all for all the support. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now the last felicitation for the day are homeopathic interns and one pharmacist. Let me once again request our Honorable Chief Guest, Sir Shripad Naik, to kindly hand over these mementos to the homeopathic intern. To begin with, Akansha Matkekar. I request the doctors and the interns to kindly put your hands together for each and everyone coming up here. Ms. Shruti S. Naik. Ms. Diksha Kumarjwekar. Ms. Akshata Kar. Ms. Freya Morashkar. Ms. Sia Kandolkar. Ms. Deepshri Malvankar. Ms. Vishata Malik. Ms. Prachi Shirodkar. And our last homeopathic intern, Ms. Sukanya Kerkar. Let me also call upon our pharmacist, Mrs. Prajakta Naik. Thank you, sir.